Good afternoon, everyone. Again, we are here with you. Today, we start Geography, chapter number 6, Manufacturing Industry. Before this, we discuss about the classification of industries on the basis of agro-based industry and mineral-based industries, and now again the classification that are the different industries. Just an example: chemical industries, fertilizer industry, cement industry, automobile industry, and IT and electronics. It means information technology and electronics industry. So let's start. First, we discuss about chemical industries. This industry contributes 3% to the GDP of the nation or country. It is the third largest industry in the Asia. This industry classifies into two parts. Its inorganic chemicals just are sulfuric acids, plastics, adhesive and paints, and the another part is organic chemicals. These are petrochemicals, dyes, and drugs. Now come on the next part, that is fertilizer industry. This industry manufactures nitrogenous fertilizers, for example urea, phosphoric fertilizers, ammonium phosphate, just an example DAP, and complex fertilizers which we used in the field during the farming of different crops or cultivation of different crops. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers, and these industries located in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, and Kerala. Now come on the next part, that is cement industry. Cement industry or cement is manufactured from limestone, silica, aluminium, and gypsum. This industry is mainly located in Gujarat, but the first cement plant was set up in Chennai in the year of 1904. India exported to the Gulf countries, Africa and South Africa. Now come on the next, that is automobile industry. This industry manufactures cars, scooters, motorcycles, trucks, buses, three-wheelers, etc. This industry located in Delhi, Gurgaon, that is new name Gurugram, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bangalore. Now come on the another part, that is information technology and electronics industry. It includes transistors, televisions, telephones, computers, and radars. Bangalore is the electronic capital of India. This industry has given a boost to employment generation in India.